Hi everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. Today's video is Christmas Planner Part 4, where we are selecting signatures for the Christmas Planner series. This Christmas planner is a planner, junk journal, December daily mashup. It's all in one for the season. So we're preparing now for the Christmas season. It will be all done if you follow all the parts by the end of July on my channel. Plus there will be a playlist where you can watch them all if you forgot. If you don't want to make a Christmas planner, that's totally fine. You can still follow the videos and create your own junk journal. So awesome, right? Okay, well, check out my website, cindyaLewis.com, on the freebie page and get your free download of a Christmas planner pages. I just ask that you don't sell my pages and use them in your fun journals and planners. So don't forget the Christmas in July giveaway on July 1st. Check out that video. It's linked below. And we're going to jump into selecting signatures for the journal. Hi everyone. So before we get started, I would like to share there is a hidden giveaway for this viewfinder, like the Viewmaster Reels. It has the fun papercraft dies for the negatives, just a little frame, this cute viewfinder frame. Let me show you what I did with it last night on live. I just made a mixed media project and it turned out so cute. So anyway, you can use this. You get the whole set. You put the words planner, PLANNER, in the comments below, and I will draw the winner when I draw the big subscriber mega giveaway on July 31st. So don't miss it. Make sure you enter in the comments below, and let's jump in. So selecting signatures. I want at least 3 signatures for my journal. Right. I already made my planner, covered the outside and made a little pocket. Put a keyhole, title plate, ring fastener, and added the closure. Now on the inside, we're not done yet. So we have a few things to do before we're going to cover the inside panels and put the metal corner on each corner. We are going to do a hidden spine, so we want to make sure we get that in before we cover everything else. All right, so let's pick some papers. For first and foremost, we're going to have the Christmas planner pages. Now these pages you can print on white, but I printed them on a parchment paper that I had, and I love how they already look vintage. So I'm going to use those as part of my pages, and they will be the front of the first signature. That's 14 pages, which is a little too much for a signature. I want to do 10 per signature. I do have these 4 that I would like to add in as well. And I have 14 of these other pages. So we'll show you. I've got some graph paper, some paper bags, some of this pretty already vintageized like notebook paper, an envelope, some music, old notebook paper, some more music, and a couple of pages from an old ideals book that I thought would be fun to add in. So there's about 14 of those. So if we do say 18 and 14 is let's see, 18, 14, we're right at our 30 pages, but we might add a few pages because I need to add some of these pretty vintage papers. So we may or may not add all of those. We'll figure it out. So this is really pretty. And I'm going to cut these down to fit the 8.5 by 11 size so I can fold them in half. This is a beautiful set from Amazon that I picked up called Christmas. Right here on the front. That would help. Cartabella Paper Company. And these are stickers. And then there's some tags that match. This is double-sided. So I'm going to pick a few. I like that. Some cards. journaling cards. That's pretty. If I use the dark color, then I can add to it. So I might use that one. This is cute. That's 2. And using these for accents too is really, really fun. That one's cute. That's 4. And I don't think... Oh, look at the tags. How cute is that? All right, that one's cute. All right, I think we'll go with these. We'll set these others aside for now. And we can save the Winter Wonderland to accent. So what I've got here are these papers. This is a thick cardstock, by the way. So I'm going to cut these down to 8 by 12, I think is what I'll do. And see how that fits. All right, so got these few pieces that I will intermingle in the second and third signature. Now, this is the planner, and of course, these pages will fold like this. I do want to keep them as much in order as possible. There's a November calendar and a December calendar. Then there is the to-do list, the Christmas card list. And so if I fold it in half this way, it will keep my list together, which I might do that. So for the first signature, it's going to have to be the planner pages. And the planner pages, we need to kind of stop around 10 or 11. So I usually do 30 pages. So we may try to squeeze one more into each signature to make it 11. We won't make it too thick. So that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So this will be the first signature. So that's pretty easy. And then these will all, oh, that's the wrong one. These will all go into the second signature. So we'll do that. Okay. So we've got the next few pages. So these 3 will go next. So what we have are the first signature here, it's just planner pages. The second signature, we're going to do the planner pages first. And then we're going to intermingle these papers along with these. So we'll just take these. And I did cut this a little bit bigger, but it will fit into the whole thing. So we've got 1, 2, let's see, 3, 4, 5. We'll do a paper bag, 5, 6. We'll do music. And we'll do another page like this. And we'll do some more music. And we will do one of these pages here. All right, so let's count that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so there's my 11 there. So let's see what we can do here. So let's take this one. We'll do this one next, an envelope, this one, paper bag, this one, we'll do some music. Let's see if we have enough. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here's our 11. Yay! So we're going to have 11 pages in each signature. So there's 1, 2, and this one, of course, will be just the planner pages. Then what we'll need to do is we'll fold them and get them ready to sew into the hidden spine. Now our next video, let me find my planner schedule. All right, so I'm kind of combining part 4 and part 5 together because I decided to use these pages instead of using additional pages to make the planner. So the next part will be July 20th when we sew the signatures in the hidden spine. So July 20th. So this will be parts 4 and 5 actually. So part 6 we'll be sewing these into the spine. And since they're in the order we want, all we have to do, so we don't have to mix them or anything, is just decide how we want to fold them, how we want them to look when you open them, and then they'll be ready to go. And this is 3, this is 2, and this is 1. These are extra, and we can use them for decoration, embellishment, and whatever we'd like to do with the Christmas planner. All right, so are you ready for your trivia question for the day? All right. When candy canes are mass produced, does the crook get bent before or after the candy cane is wrapped? That's a good one. When candy canes are mass produced, does the crook get bent before or after the candy cane is wrapped? So the answer is in the next slide. Thanks so much for helping me pick out my signatures, and appreciate you watching. Don't forget the hidden giveaway. The word is planner. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.